Woo! Don't go throttling off, Zach. This is where the super sketchy climb is, and truly where the name Cliff's Edge comes from. But, hello RC hobbyists, and thank you for tuning in to another episode of Hobby Drop. Today, we are running almost off the edge. We're running Cliff's Edge today, but I've discovered some alternate routes, so we're gonna try running those. And traction is a little compromised today due to some rain that we have received, so things are a little bit like sandy, but I think we'll be moving up high enough that it shouldn't matter. Now, usually we'd head that way towards this bush, which is towards the cliff. But this is the less sketchy route. But that is equally as challenging. So this is one of the first real obstacles we run into. And it's kind of tricky, so you got to get your fronts up like as high as possible. All right, here we go. So we're getting as high as we can while moving towards the face. Now, that's where it gets complicated, because we need to run vertically to get our skid well past, but we need to be tipping over. All right, right here, I think we'll get it. Nope. So this obstacle is like really annoyingly difficult. So something I've been thinking about doing on this truck is maybe also running 4-link. How many of you guys are running a 4-link setup on your 10.2 axles? Oh, we got it. Whew, that was rough. Yeah, who's running 4-link and how do you guys like it on your AR44s? A little servo on axle. I think that would be a good crawling performance upgrade for this Reaper. Okay, so here is this next bonus line. We come up this. We want to get semi-centered on this. Really, what we need here is to get high on the driver's side so that as we come up, we don't get bellied out. And right now, I'm not doing a good job of that. Let's take it back up. Okay. Let's reset a little bit here. Yeah, so some of these obstacles are far more technical than the original. Man, I'm getting them when I just try and do them faster. That's something I've realized. Sometimes I need to just focus on getting the obstacle first try rather than trying to do it really, really slow. Like, slow is cool, but first try is better, you know what I mean? So that's something I've been trying to work on. Okay, so right here we're picking back up in the original trail. So all this is a part of the normal Cliff's Edge. Okay, so then we celebrate a nice view and then drop down. We make our turnaround up on the top of this little cliff here. Now this is another extremely difficult obstacle that pushes the side hill abilities. So we're just trying to make it across this little pass right here. Woo! Don't go throttling off, Zach. Okay, so the reason I'm trying to come up so far into that is because if I just try and hit it head on, you kind of just get bellied out. So this one, we do got to be kind of finesse about it. Okay, here we go. This is looking better. This is looking lots better. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Heck yeah. We actually made that last obstacle look kind of easy on that, which is good because up until now we haven't made anything look easy. Okay, so now we're descending down like usual. We got the bumper buster right here. Let's see if we can't go semi-controlled. For the sake of time, we're gonna skip up to the top. All right, so as we enter into the sunshine here, this is where the super sketchy climb is, and truly where the name Cliff's Edge comes from. But this is the alternate ending obstacle, so that you don't have to face the scary edge. So usually we'd go left right here, but we're actually going to come right. Heck yeah. Okay, we come right, and now we need to start facing up this steep approach here. Okay, come on up. Come on. Don't quite have enough traction up on our front driver. Dang, we fell off right there. Okay, so let's fight back up. Come on. I know it's like right there. You know, I wonder to what degree the cooler weather is playing a factor in our traction today. We are out of the heat and now entering into the mid 80s and stuff, which does cause some differences in climbing ability. These rocks are cold, they don't want to stick as much. There we go. That was a battle. Okay, so we're gonna come up onto this ledge. Nice. So cliff's edge, you would come right around on this ridge, right there, and enter off right here. So we're kind of just taking a little shortcut to avoid that ledge. Which that ledge is really just a side hill test and a bravery test. So now we flip around. To face our victorious view. It's really a buzzkill right now. Come on, baby. Shortcut.